श्रीं कालिकाय नमो नमः। ॐ कालिकाय विद्महे श्मशानवासिन्यै धीमहि तन्नो घोरः प्रचोदयात्। ॐ कालिकाली महाकाली कालिके पापनाशिनी सर्वानंदकरे देवी मातेश्वरी नमस्तुते। Welcome to my YouTube channel माँ काली दुर्गा शिवा Gurukul. So now the subject is Kalika Mahapuran, 4th chapter, Chaturthodhyaya. Last, first, second, third chapter, all about the Kamadeva Janma and Kamadeva Rati Devi Milana. And the fourth chapter is Kamadeva Rati Devi and Vasanta Milana. So in the Milana means they get together, they accept themselves, they make friendship with each other. That's why here the word is Milana. On the behalf of the 4th Adhyaya, the Kamadeva, when cursed by that Lord Shiva and Brahma, and after that Papa Vimochana, they know the way how to save their life from curse of Shiva and Brahma. After that, Shiva and Brahma left that place. Daksha Prajapati allowed to Kamadeva to accept the Rati Devi, the daughter of Daksha Prajapati. After that, Kamadeva have a feelings to take revenge from Lord Shiva. Due to Lord Shiva, he cursed by Brahman and the power of Lord Shiva's. So they made planning to take revenge against Lord Shiva. How they made marriage to Shiva. They made some planning to make a marriage ceremony specially for Shiva. But it was impossible in that time really. Shiva was the great yogi and Shiva always busy in meditation and Virata Bhava, the depression from the girls and ladies and women energy. Have not interest at all. He is not interested at all to make marry with any girls or anybody. But in that time, for the universe, for the betterment of universe, it was very essential that marriage of Shiva, because in that time more demons and evil energy, evil Daitya Rakshasas created disturbance in the universe, and due to that, this all the Devaganaha, Daitya Ganaha, all the Kamadeva, Saptarshi, Angira, Pulasta Ityadi, Daksha Prajapati, and Lord Brahma, Kamadeva, Rati Devi, all this, and Indradeva also, they are very worried about the universal problem in that time. So they make planning, they planning about their Shiva Vivaha, marriage of Lord Shiva. And how it is possible? Though it is very easy for a general Purusha, general male, is affected, infected by a simple lady, simple nari, simple female energy. But Lord Shiva is a yogi Raja, is a very powerful entity, as a god of God, the Maheshwara. It was impossible for all the universe to make him marriage. It is just impossible. But due to they decide them already, and Kamadeva also know if Shiva Parvati, or if the marriage ceremony of Lord Shiva, then only he save his life from the Brahma's curse. So Abhisapa Mochana. That's why they thinking over that subject, actually Shiva marriage ceremony of Shiva, and that's why they start finding a girl, beautiful girl for Shiva. And in that time Brahma told, "Oh Devagana, don't worry, it is my duty. Please, you perform your duty about how the Kamana Vasana generate inside the Lord Shiva, how the sexual thought, how how to generate love, affection, and passion inside the Shiva's mind. That was the main challenge in that time, actually. At the time of thinking, from his breath, a Dibya Purusha, a divine person, was to birth, and very beautiful person. And Brahma told to that Kamadeva and Rati Devi, this is called Basanta, is a very beautiful person. In his presence, everywhere is have changed his atmospheric changes, the Vasanta Rutu, you know, spring season and rainy season like this, the Basanta Rutu. And only he is your best friend, O Kamadeva. With his power, you win everywhere. You must win everywhere and you defeat every person. And this Basanta is the god of Viraha Vedana, the pain of detachment from your wife, the pain of, the pain of love due to this Vasanta. So they mix with each other, they make friendship with each other, and they enter into the jungle or that place where Shiva was in meditation and was in Yoga Nidra, and they start their project to develop Kamana Vasana and interest towards marriage inside the mind of Lord Shiva. It was great task in that time that Shiva must ready for his marriage. So this is all about fourth adhyaya in Kalika Mahapurana. This is all the basic chapter and basic small theme and summary of Chaturtha Adhyaya, though it is very long and vast subject, and now I have no time. The video is too long if I explain each and everything about Chaturtha Adhyaya. So there is a Prathama Adhyaya, Dutiya Adhyaya, and Chaturtha Adhyaya. These are our small theme and summary. Why I explain all this thing to you? See, more and more people are fraud. They are in problem due to some Tona Totka Tantric type people make fraud with him about Ma Kali and all this black magic type things. See, this is my I just try to the for the people that please don't believe all this Tona Totka black magic, and believe yourself, believe to Mother Kali. There is no mantra, tantra, yantra, and priest and all this thing to achieve the bhakti of Mother Kali. You have also capacity. You also son of that Mother Kali. You also daughter of that Mother Kali. So if you pray in her feet, she must listen for you. She must give you Ashirvada. She must fulfill your all the desires and your. She must she must give you a good life and your all the manavanchita phala. So please don't move towards such kind of bali and tantra mantra type people, tona totka type people, tantric people. Uh, you have also capacity. Believe yourself. Believe to Mother Kali, Kalau Chandi Vinayaka. They are for every person, not only for those who are using red bindi in his head and red dress and Radrakshamala, Asti Mala, and they looks like a tantrika and furious and more dangerous, and they make drama and opera like I am a great tantric and Mother Kali only listen to me and she is. What do you think? Whether Mother Kali is your servant? No, Mother Kali is Mother Kali, the Vishwa Mata, the Rajarajeshwari, Chaitanyamai, Anandamai, Kalyanamai, Chaitanyamai. She is the Lord of every person. The Brahma, Vishnu, Maheshwara also bow their surrender in on her feet. And what all you this, please believe yourself and believe Mother Kali. She must listen to you. She must give you blessing. She must fulfill your all the desire. You directly pray. Don't go through this all tantric, mantrik, tantra, mantra, jantra. Bhakti is main thing. All this point. So, namaskaram. Om Krim Kalikaye Namaha. Om Sarve Bhavantu Sukhinah. Sarve Santu Niramaya. Sarve Bhadrani Pasyantu. Ma Kasyid Dukha Bhavantu. Om Shanti Shanti.